Alright guys, I know we all do some stupid mistakes when we start out trading and when we try to make it, but today I'm gonna go over 6 mistakes that I made back then every day when I tried to start with trading, and I'm gonna show you what I'll do instead these days since becoming a full-time trader. So let's go.
Hey, let's go out.
No, I can't. I have to watch the charts.
Hey, let's go eat something.
No, I can't. I have to look at the charts. Does this sound familiar to you? Back then, I thought if I just stared long enough at my computer screen that eventually I will find a setup and eventually I will find a trade. But in reality, I had no plan, I had no triggers, I had no system. I just hoped and prayed that I will eventually find a setup on the chart, and that's not the way to go. What I do nowadays is I have my set time when I sit in front of the charts. For me, it's New York Open, it's one clean setup. I have exactly a mapped out plan with triggers, exit, entry, how I manage the trade, and that's what I do today. I minimize my time on the screen, I minimize the time on the chart, and I find the balance in my life. Now, to find your edge, of course, you have to put in some time and some work, but once you are a profitable trader, it's actually time to decrease your screen time and to live life a little bit. Oh yeah, this looks good. I'm gonna take this. The second mistake I made was I jumped into trades without a plan, just because the trade looked good. But in reality, you can't gather data on this because you do whatever you want. If it looks good, you enter. You might miss the trade, you might not miss the trade. And in reality, you can't have a statistical system with this. So what I do these days, I only have one setup, and if I don't see the setup on the screen, I'm closing the chart and I'm walking away. I don't take any trade based on how the chart looks. I take a trade based on my entry triggers and my system, and that's the way to go. I just lost the trade. I have to make it back now. I have to make it back. Does this also sound familiar to you? After a loss, you felt like you have to make back the loss immediately, or vice versa. If you have a win, you feel untouchable and you think, I'm gonna increase my risk because all I do is win. But in reality, that's also something I stopped doing. I always have one trade a day, and if it's a loss, I don't care about it. If it's a win, I don't care about it. I know over the long term my system will make me money, and that's what counts. I don't take those short-term influences into my trading. I only care for the long term, and I know over the long term I will make money no matter if I lose or if I win today.
Hey, it's time to go for a run now.
No, I'm staying in. I'm lazy today. Back then I had no idea how my daily routines and my daily life influences my trading. So when I felt lazy, I just stayed on the couch. I didn't get my run done. But these days, if I feel lazy, that's especially the time when I get up and I go out for a run, because this teaches my brain the consistency and the discipline that I need for my trading as well. So don't underestimate your daily life and your daily routines and how they influence your trading performance. Shit. Someone on Twitter just posted he's short on Bitcoin. I'm long. I have to close my trades. Back then, as soon as I saw someone post on Twitter, I was doubting my own plan. But these days, I just block out all the noise around me. I trade my system, my trade, and I don't care about anyone in the world. If he is in this position, he is in this position. I don't care about it. I only care about my trade, and I block out all the noise around me.
Hey, I want to go on vacation.
I can't go on vacation right now. I had a red week last week. I have to change my complete system and I have to overthink everything I do. I'm sorry. Back then, every time I had a red week, every time I was in drawdown, I was doubting my own system and I would change things up again, which in the end led to more steps backwards, and yeah, I was just walking in one place. These days, I have my system developed. I know exactly if I have a red week, it's no problem at all, because over a month, over 5 months, I will make money. So I don't care about the short-term red weeks or short-term drawdown, and that's important to know. If you feel stuck in trading, it's probably not your strategy. It's everything that you do around your strategy that is holding you back. So start working on those tips that I just told you in this video, and you will see your trading improve. I will promise you that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. And be nice to your girlfriend, please.